All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about building teamwork within a shop. All right, I know what you're thinking. Building teamwork in a flat rate shop? You're crazy. No, I'm not. There is no team in a flat rate shop, every man for himself. First and foremost, that's BS. Yes, there's shops that absolutely horrid environment, every man for themselves. I don't know why you still work there. But let's talk about building teamwork within a shop. Now, they all say, it comes from the top. It actually comes from both sides. It comes from the bottom and it comes from the top. When you're building a team, one, you need to be a team. What I mean by that is you need the shop side of it to be a team together, and they need to be working with the team up front who's also a team. So we need to get that mentality. We're here to help everybody. It works both ways. We need to get management to think about it's a team, and we need to get the shop thinking about we're a team. So how can we do that? One, hiring practices. Now this is something that me and my boss have worked very hard at in this shop. Now I've been here for 4.5 years, and this shop has been here for 4.5 years. I was employee number 3. My boss is number 1. A service advisor that's no longer here is number 2. And 2 other techs that are no longer here were 4 and 5. We're now up to 24, I think. So how do you build a team environment? By hiring. You hire people that work well with each other. You have personalities that mesh well with everybody in the shop. So many shops are worried about when they hire somebody, warm body or somebody that can actually do the work. We're a unique shop. We look for not only people that can do the job, but we look for people that personality-wise mesh well with everybody else. i.e., they're not a-holes. Simple as that. We look for people that want to help, want to grow, want to be part of a team. And that's unfortunately something that has to come from management, is that management mentality of you don't hire a warm body, you hire somebody that's going to work well with your team. And that's something this shop has struggled with in the past. We've had very toxic environments because of hiring certain people. We've had techs. I mean, at one point in this shop's history, we had 2 techs that were they fed off each other. Brought the entire shop's attitude down. Shop didn't make that much money. Techs didn't make that money. Everybody was miserable. It became a toxic environment. I've done videos on this before, but it became a very toxic environment because this sucks, this sucks, this sucks, this sucks, this sucks. They fed off each other, and it ran through the entire shop. And it's a sad part of humanity is that kind of attitude just spreads. And in hiring practices, you need to eliminate as much of that negativity as possible in the shop atmosphere. I only have guys here, so I can say guys. I want the guys to have a fun atmosphere. We can joke with each other. We can, bust balls, and nobody's PO'd. Nobody's pissed off. Nobody's unhappy. It's just, let's get back to work. Let's do our job. Fun environment. But let's talk about, if you're just a tech, how do you foster that teamwork without management's help? Well, you have to go smaller. What I mean by that is, let's say you're in a shop with like 10 techs. Well, all those 10 techs probably aren't going to be that teamwork mentality. Unless, they've done some hiring practices that encourages that. So, go smaller. Get a core group of techs that are like-minded and gravitate towards them, help them, and become a small team within the shop. Not that you're fighting against the other guys, Not against that you're fighting against management, but you group together and you become a small team within that shop. And you're all working to help each other, picking people up when they're down, when they're getting their butt kicked by a car, you're over there offering your help. Now, I talked about it at the beginning of the video, but I've always been that guy in the shop. I know I'm a shop foreman now, but even when I was just a tech, I was always the guy going, how can I help? What can I do to help you? You need help? Oh, here, let me help you with that gas tank to put it back on the, hoist. I was always that guy. And we have that atmosphere in this shop. Everybody's willing to help everybody else. You need help putting that gas tank back on the transmission jack? I'm on my way. That's the important thing, is even if management's not doing it, you can do smaller teams and support each other and have an atmosphere within that group of positivity. Negativity does not make you money. Oh, that guy's not going to buy anything, I'm not doing anything. Guess what? If you don't write it up, he's not going to. That's the point. You need to be looking at the next car going, oh, that might be 10 hours. That might be 15 hours. Small group of positivity will grow and help you grow your part of that business. You get that attitude spreading, that you might start getting other guys turned over to your way of thinking because they see you guys, they might go, oh, well, they're just kissing ass and da-da-da-da. All you're doing is changing your attitude throughout the shop you're in and working towards all of you going up. When you all want to go up, guess what? You'll work towards it. And hopefully you do. But that's what a team mentality will do. You're not, you're not drudging by yourself. You got a team backing you, helping you out, picking you up when you're down. I know I'm a little bit preachy, whole lot of, outside the box thinking and, but you'd be surprised how much having a support structure like that of a team will help you move your game up, help you make more money simply by having that support structure in place. When things aren't good, they're there to back you up. When things are good, everybody's good. It's important to have a team atmosphere in a shop. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Comments, I know there's going to be a bunch of these. So, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.